feel it's 2013.
Right.
Women want equal rights. They want to be treated fairly. So I'm saying, as a real man, what a real man wants is, I feel like myself, and a real man would take care of a woman. If I want to take a woman out, I'm going to pay for her.
Exactly.
That's just how it is.
I agree.
But I think as a woman, you shouldn't expect these type of treatments. Just appreciate it. You know what I mean?
I agree. No, you got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it.
So I'm supposed to appreciate the fact that he asked me out.
No, but
he should appreciate being out with me.
That's why you
it's a privilege.
Right. On both sides.
She's making you look good.
And I've been told that. What about that?
Don't get me wrong.
Yeah, but
listen, don't get me wrong.
On the other hand,
don't misquote me.
we are.
Do not misquote me. I feel that, but I'm saying it's on both sides of the. It's on both sides.
It's on both sides.
There's a lot of real respectable women. There's a lot of real respectable women that appreciate a good man, like these three young ladies right here, and I agree wholeheartedly with what they're saying. But
I do not.
But what I'm saying is, there's a lot of women out there that take men for granted. They expect a lot of things from the man, and they don't appreciate it, and they figure because they're attractive and they're beautiful that they got this entitlement.